Hey Gabby, I wanted to quickly show you what I think will be the best way to get the data you want from Quill. So this is the homepage for Quill. I think you should be able to log in with your own email because I set you up as a co-teacher on this class. If that doesn't give you all the premium features, then you can just log in using my credentials. I can give those to you. Um, but it should be under student reports. And then it's this one, the activity scores. So this will show me here what their overall scores was, and more importantly, it will show you how many activities they have completed, which I think is what you're looking for. One thing to note, when I assign a skill, it assigns a package or like a pack of activities. So each link has anywhere from like 4 to 10 activities within the link. So there are far more activities on here than there are links. But honestly, you could probably just take these and go just by the number of activities and set whatever number you want. If you download the report, you can make it into an Excel spreadsheet so that you could then filter it and see who has what number of activities completed. I think that that's what you were looking for as far as tracking data. Let me know if there's something else. There's a few other things you can track as well, but I think that's going to be the most helpful to you. Let me know if that is not true.